Hey everyone, this magnificent home in North Tustin just hit the market. It's 4 bedrooms, 5 full baths, a little over 4,400 square feet on a half acre with fabulous North Tustin schools. Let's take a look. From the moment you enter this HD TV dream home, you will know this is the one you've been waiting for. And if you have a large family or just love to entertain a lot, check out this spacious dining room. With seating up to 12, it's also wonderful how you view the beautiful backyard. Now, another thing I love about this home is this fantastic great room kitchen. It has a huge island where you can sit and have your tea or coffee in the morning or even serve up the pancakes. Now, the sellers spared no, and I mean no expense on the appliances in this incredible property. There is a 6-burner Wolf range. Of course, I love the beautiful quartz countertops, the custom cabinets, and so many people love the gold fixtures, which just make this house so elegant. Now check this out. The sellers once again spared no expense on this either. A Miele $17,000 refrigerator freezer. Now another thing that creates such a great vibe in this house is all the lighting. It's elegant, it sets a great mood, and you'll find it just about in every room. Now, how about grabbing a book and a blanket and getting cozy in this warm and inviting family room? Now, one of the things I really love is it has beautiful vaulted beam ceilings. Now, speaking about getting cozy, check out this fireplace. Now, this incredible home has 3 fireplaces. One, of course, here in the family room, one in the living room, and of course, we all love a fireplace in the master bedroom to get that romance going. And why not belly up to the bar, as they say? Now, this custom-made bar has its own wine refrigerator. It has an extra-large ice maker, a lot of storage for all your cocktails and barware, and with seating for 5, there's no reason to go to your neighborhood bar. It's all right here. And now that you've mixed up your favorite cocktails, step into this incredible media room. It's wired for surround sound and, of course, a projection screen TV. This is so great for entertaining. Your family and friends won't want to go home. Are you looking for a master bedroom that is huge with plenty of room for your king-size bed, yet still feels cozy? Once again, the 3rd fireplace is in the master bedroom. You know what, this really feels like a resort spot. No luxury primary suite is complete without a spectacular all-new walk-in spa bath with steam shower. All of the baths in this home have been completely and tastefully remodeled. Are you looking to work from home in a comfortable yet professional environment? How about not 1, but 2 new home offices? Plus, there's plenty of room for a possible ADU or casitas or RV parking. Come and enjoy all that North Tustin has to offer with just a 5-minute drive to Costco, Trader Joe's, the Tustin Marketplace, and award-winning schools. Hurry, this one will not last. Full of elegance and class and the best of the best in all high-end upgrades, this home also has such a wonderful feel of comfort for your family. I'm Jules Wilson with 7 Gables Real Estate. I'd love to help you make this your forever home.